Hey guys, welcome back. In this lecture, we will see how to add font awesome icon using Webpacker and Yarn. In the last lecture, we integrated the admin theme into our course project, but we were unable to see the icons working in our admin panel. Okay, but after following the steps shown in this lecture, you will be able to install and use font awesome icon into your Rails application. So let's start by installing the font awesome icons. Open your terminal and switch into the project directory, and you need to run this command yarn at the rate font awesome hyphen font awesome hyphen free. Okay, so once we are using the free version of font awesome, so we will include the freely available module into our course project. So let's hit the enter after running this command, after writing this command, and you will see that font awesome icon will be added into your project. Once you see that the font awesome icon has been installed successfully, then you need to import these icons into your webpacker file. Since we are using admin layout and we need to add this font, we need to import this font awesome into our admin.js. So let's open the file on your admin.js, and here you need to import. You can import it above the bootstrap. So just write import. So you just need to write import at the red font awesome free, and then css all. Okay, and once you write that, just refresh your just save the save your file and refresh the browser. Okay, since we are using webpacker and we have run the web dev server, so you do not need to refresh the page, but you can see that font awesome icon has been worked here. Okay, now you can see the settings icon at the component, and this dashboard icon and this emoji icon. Okay, everything is displaying here. Okay, like this request icon, task icon, dollar icon, and the calendar icon. Okay, since this is the static content and we will definitely change it. Okay, now what we need to do that we are not seeing the image here. Okay, why? Because we have not imported the themes images so far into our course project. Okay, so if you can see into the themes directory, just go to the image, and here you can see it has some svgs. Okay, now let's search into the top bar, or you can simply search into your header because that file is already very small. Okay, so just go to the shared folder, and into the admin header, just try to find img. Okay, and in img you can find that rounded circle image. Okay, undraw profile 1.svg. Okay, so we need to copy this image from the themes directory into our project directory. So let's do that. Here you can see that this is my themes directory. Now just copy the img from the theme and copy all images, because we will need such images later. Okay, so copy this image and go to the app assets, and into the images just to paste all these images. Okay, and once you do that, just open your header partial, and in that header partial just to do this using rails image tag helper. Okay, so what we need to do that image tag. By doing this, you can also know that how you can import images into your rails application. Okay, so here you can copy this. Here, after image tag, you just need to provide the path of the image tag, image name, and then just write the class here, class rounded circle. Okay, and save it. No alternate text we need. Just remove this static image here from here. Okay, now save this and refresh your browser. Okay, once you refresh, okay, we are still not able to see that image. Let me see. Okay, so this image is appeared here. It means we just replace this at the wrong place. We need to place it here. Let's say find Douglas MCG, or you can just simply inspect this and let's see what the image name we have here. Okay, so we have undraw profile. Okay, just find this name and okay, and now we need to change this image tag into Rails image tag, and here just copy this file name, copy this and paste it here, and just provide the class img profile. And now remove this static image tag. Okay, save this, and once you save this, just refresh your browser. Okay, so here you can see the image is displaying now. Okay, now what we achieved in this lecture, that we installed how to add font awesome using yarn and webpacker in a Rails application, and how to use image tag to display static images. You can simply use the similar image tag for displaying dynamic images as well, and we will do the when we use active storage in our application. But for now I think it's enough to work with image tag and work with font awesome icons. So, okay, so here now you can see everywhere that we can see font awesome icons, like in the sidebar links, in the header links, like this notification and the messages icon and this emojis icon, and everywhere wherever we have the icons we can see that. Okay, so that's all from this lecture. Okay, you can also check the description of the video, and please check the description of the video to get the updated repository link. Okay, so that you can take latest pull of everything we done so far in this course project. Okay, now in the next lecture we will move all the students courses and other resources into the admin side. Okay, where we can see how to manage those resources into this admin panel. Okay, so thanks for watching this, and let's meet into the next lecture. Till then, tata, goodbye, take care, and stay safe.